Hi, I hope you are good. I'm Mary and I want to teach you German from the start. Today we will talk about the German alphabet. I will show you one word for each letter so you can hear how they sound. Are you ready? Let's go! The first letter is A. Repeat after me. A, like in Apfel. The second letter is B. Repeat after me. B, like in ball. The third letter is C. Repeat after me. C, like in computer. The fourth letter is D. Repeat after me. D, like in dwarf. The fifth letter is E. Say it loudly. E, like in elephant. The next letter is F. Repeat after me. F, like in fish. The next is G. Repeat after me. G, like in garden. The next letter is H. Say it like this. H, like in house. The next letter is E. Say it loudly. E, like in Insel. The next letter is J. Say it like this. Yeah, like Y in English, like in Jacke. The next is K. Say it like this. K, like in Katze. The next letter is L. Say it like this. L, like in Lampe. The next letter is M, like in mouse. The next letter is N, like in Nacht. The next letter is O. Say it like this. O, like in orange. The next letter is P. Say it like this. P, like in the next letter is Q, like in koala. The next letter is R. Say it like this. R, like in rose. The next letter is S, like in Sonne. The next letter is T. Say it like this. T, like in Tisch. The next letter is O. Say it like this. O, like in oa. Next is V, like in Vogel. The next letter is V. Say it like this. V, like in Wasser. The next letter is X, like in xylophone. Next letter is Y, like in yacht. Next letter is Z, like in zebra. Great job! You've now learned the German alphabet. Now, in German, there are 3 extra letters. Let's learn them together. This letter is called A umlaut. It sounds like E, like in Äpfel. This letter is called O umlaut. It sounds like Ö, like in mobile. Next letter is U umlaut. It sounds like Ü, like in süß. Next letter is Z, like in Fuß. Great job! Now let's go over the whole German alphabet one more time. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, E, Ö, U, Z. Well done! You've learned all the letters. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram to be the first to know when a new lesson is uploaded. Until the next lesson, bye bye!